break it down for you, easy step-by-step process on how you can, starting from today, use that herb for helping you to better your health and your wellness, as well as including the herb profile, the benefits, as well as different uses, and also some of the cautious warning signs that I want you to look out for, or some of the warnings in regards to using these herbs. So I want you to be well informed before using any herb, before using any natural remedy, to be well informed what are you placing on your body internally and externally. So these videos hopefully will help you do so. So right here I'm on Amazon and just searched up our herb for the day, which is shepherd's purse, and this is one of my favorite herbs personally because I've used this before, specifically when it comes to gynecological conditions and symptoms as well, that I would, or if you've correctly identified the plant growing around you and you want to use the whole plant. What can you use it for? Well, in Europe, the whole plant was used to stop both internal and external bleeding, and also to stimulate the uterus as well. So just by saying stimulate the uterus, you know that pregnant and nursing moms are not supposed to use this herb by any possible way. Please refrain from using the herb if you are pregnant or if you are nursing. Also, the plant can be eaten as a salad herb in many parts of the world, specifically when it comes to China, because the sweet taste of the herb is really good. The Chinese herbal medicine considers that it's really good for the spleen as well. So if you have shepherd's purse growing around you, you're very lucky, because you can gather the fresh herb throughout most of the year. So unfortunately here, as you can tell, I've done a couple of walk arounds in the forest nearby here in Finland, and I've found so many different herbs, and I find each new herb every single year and discover the Chinese herbal medicine considers that it's really good for the spleen as well. So if you have shepherd's purse growing around you, you're very lucky, because you can gather the fresh herb throughout most of the year. So unfortunately here, as you can tell, I've done a couple of walk arounds in the forest. You can take up to 10 milliliters 3 times per day for heavy periods, for diarrhea, and for cystis as well. So of course, please consult your healthcare practitioner. This video is for informational purposes only. Consult your healthcare practitioner in regards to incorporating herbs and supplements, and also check to see if you are deficient in any vitamins or minerals, because you don't want to incorporate something new and then you realize, oh damn, I'm kind of overdosing here. So you want to be safe. But apart from that, I've used this herb personally, and it has great results, especially when it comes to heavy menstrual cycle, and also when it comes to adenomyosis for people suffering from that. You want to be safe. But apart from that, I've used this herb personally, and it has great results, especially when it comes to heavy menstrual cycle, and also when it comes to adenomyosis for people suffering from that. It can cause heavy, painful menstrual cycle, and it can cause other symptoms as well. And shepherd's purse, I have found, has been great when it comes to helping to reduce the symptoms associated with the menstrual cycle. So